Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share another unboxing experience with you. We are looking at the Brother Innov-is NQ1600E Embroidery machine. This will be a quick unboxing. Oh wow, as you can see, this embroidering machine will be taking up the desk space. I do want to bring your attention to the sliding door here. It is to connect the embroidering unit to the machine. Make sure you slide that open before attempting to connect your machine and the embroidering unit. I'm going to remove the rest of the tape that's on the unit, and this pretty much concludes the unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I will list a few things regarding the machine in the description box for you to review. Again, thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful day.